Let's do a quick overview of Oncologic, where you can quickly create strategic views for oncology data. These maps can be created by tumor type, therapy segment, drug and many more. In this case we will use tumor type. You can enter multiple selections for any query map. Let's choose lung cancer. This creates a strategic view of all the lung cancer clinical trials with phase on the x-axis and therapy segment on the y. Additionally, we can see the number of drugs and trials by phase graphically. We can further narrow down these trials by various filters on the right hand. We can filter by enrollment, therapy segment, patient segment, etc. Once you apply the filters, the number of trials are dynamically narrowed down to 26 from 3,673. We can toggle the y-axis for further in-depth analysis based on subclass. Which are the primary drugs are associated with these trials, based on the criteria we selected. The y-axis toggle enables the user to quickly access data on the filtered trials. For example, we can now toggle the axis to see which are the companies associated with these trials. Leading Companies tab gives a list of companies by the number of clinical trials going on for the selected criteria. You can flip the graph by various fields such as MOA. The Distributions of Trials tab gives us an overall view by percentage. Here we can see which drugs are leading in the clinical trial landscape. We can easily flip the axis to look at MOAs or any other criteria. The Heat Map tab graphically displays data in several different views. This tab gives us the ability to change both axes. We can change it to subclass versus drug or company versus drug. Clicking on any graphical area of the query maps gives you a list of the trials. You can click on the trials, which will take you directly to the trial to read its details. We have also integrated conference papers and PubMed. All the sources are collected in a single place and are correlated to your search. Clicking on any of the conference and abstract links will take you directly to those papers or abstracts published within those sites. We can create custom reports on all the criteria and optics from within the software. Clicking the Open as Report menu collects all the visuals in a report format. You can type in any area of the report to make notes. The report can now be downloaded as an electronic file for distribution.